Good morning, up with the morning bird call. Here's our kookaburra. In our song, you might like to sing like a kookaburra. We can say, listen, listen, what do they say? And you can help by singing like a kookaburra. This is a traditional German melody with some words that have been adapted. Kookaburras up in the trees, now the spring is coming. Listen, listen, what do they say? All through the day, kookaburras up in the trees, now the spring is coming. We can hear kookaburras up in the trees. I can hear something else. Cockatoos like to squawk. They're very noisy. Can you be a cockatoo this time when we say listen, listen, what do they say? Cockatoos sing up in the trees, now the spring is coming. Listen, listen, what do they say? Hello, Cocky. All through the day, cockatoos sing up in the trees, now the spring is coming. One more bird. This one's a very colourful bird. A rainbow lorikeet. Can you make this sound using your lips? They've got a very high squawk. Let's be lorikeets this time. Lorikeets sing up in the trees, now the spring is coming. Listen, listen, what do they say? All through the day, lorikeets sing up in the trees, now the spring is coming. I wonder what other birds you'll hear up in the trees. If you'd like to hear this song, it's on this album called Bulli Bay, available on my website, kayasings.com. See ya!